Kindly watch where I mark on the daily time frame. Okay, whatever I mark, just watch how price reverse from there. I think I discussed this thing with you guys. When price come to these kind of zones on the daily time frame, we are expecting a reversal. Okay, just look at it. When we have two opposite candlesticks and they form a bottom, price will either come to that place and return, or it will break it and come and retest. See, let's come to this one here. Price got to this point here. Instead of it to return and then go up, it broke it with this candlestick. Now it traded below it, gave a liquidity that didn't touch it, came to this other block here, and then went to that zone. Now after it has taken this liquidity here, it dropped nicely. Where did it return from again, or did it reverse from? At this zone. It failed to break this bottom here, which is two opposite candlesticks. They form a bottom here, and that is a support level. Now price reversed from there and it started going up. You get it? See, this one didn't hold. Price has broken this zone here. It is probably coming to what? Retest it. To come and retest it one day. Okay, I mean this zone here. Price will definitely come and retest it one day. So to come like this, retest here or break through, retest and then sell. Or just come, reject from here and buy. What's most important is when price get there, what does it do? Now look at this zone too. This middle zone here. This is two opposite candlesticks. They form a bottom. Price go to that point and then reverse. Now, so that was 3 days ago. Okay, let's go and check the confirmation of 15 minutes time frame. That is exactly what I want you guys to understand. When price go to those bottoms, that is where you move to what? The 15 minutes time frame to confirm exactly what price want to do. Now let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So this is the first. No, let's come to this place. The first one here. Good. I need to show you something, okay? Now this was the first one. The first daily zone that we marked. Let's go and see how price rejected from there. Now, even on the 1 hour time frame, you can see the confirmation clearly. We had this low sweeping this one, refusing to break it. And that suggests that there was a high here, a lower low here. And then we formed another higher low here. It's supposed to form a lower low, though it is close. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. I'll go to 15 minutes time. I want you guys to see it clearly. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame so that you see it well. Now this is the 15 minutes time frame. We saw what happened here. We had a lower low here, a lower high. Then we have another lower low here, which took this one. We form another lower high here. So we're supposed to form another lower low. Then price will keep on going down, right? Now look at what happened. It failed to go down, to go below this one here. So we had this high here broken. And the only thing we have to wait for is what? Wait for price to reverse to that zone. I normally use fair value gaps, okay? I normally use what? Fair value gaps and then liquidity. There will be a first move into that zone. There was this kind of retest, something like retest here. A minute, guys. Now we saw it here. We saw this high taken by this move, and then it must break it with more than 2 candlesticks. Okay, at least one, more than 1 candlestick. It should be 2 or more candlesticks. Then it reverses to that zone. Coming to that zone, there must be a liquidity, a low to be swept, and that was the low here. Okay, the low is just here. It was swept. The moment you sweep that low, just going. You get it? And then your stop loss should be right over here. If you want to swing high, then put your stop loss here. This one is safer because that's a protected low. Good. So look at how it moves. And then it kept going up. Now, as it keep on going up, it will be giving you zones to enter from. You get it? Look at this. This one failed. This is a liquidity for it to go up again. That's why it came to sweep here. And then just took this other block here and then went. Now, before going, look at what happened again. Remember, there's another zone that we mark here. There was another two bottom here, two opposite candlesticks forming a bottom here. Price came back to that zone again. Look at it. Fell low, broke it with more than one candlestick, reversed to that zone here, and then what happened? It went up, giving us another what? Nice buy. Now look at this reversal. I think I gave this signal out. You see the reversal here. Price tap inside it, and then dropped. After dropping, I told that anytime price form this kind of what move, it will come back and then take it. Let's see what happened here. Look at it. Have you seen it? Good. Let's forget this one. So let's assume that this move has already ended. Now let's come to this zone. We mark another zone here. We mark this zone here. This one. This zone was about. Let's go to daily time frame. I'll show you again. You see that zone I'm talking about? That's it. So the price came to tap in on it. Price came to tap into that zone and then give us this rejection here. This is a bearish candlestick rejected from that zone here. So we're going to trade this day. That was yesterday. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame and see. You see where the arrow is? Good. That's where we're going to look for confirmation, and it's already showing clearly. I hope you guys can see it. Now look at it. When price tap into that zone, just look at watch what's happened. It took this high with more than one candlestick. Are you getting it? So don't have to trade this one. Look at it. Let me show you. This is interesting. Just watch here. See that after breaking with a single candlestick, after breaking with what? A single candlestick, what happened here? It immediately reverses to this fair value gap. That is a trap. That is a liquidity. Okay. Now after was this what happened? It went up with several candlesticks. Okay, and then now came back to take this low. So after taking this low, this is your entry. You can enter just. So sometimes I'll put my limit, and you guys will not understand how I put the limit. I put it below the low here inside this fair value gap. Price will just come and tap it and then start moving. Now after breaking this one with about 3 candlesticks again, it came back to this support level and then keep on going up. So if you miss this first move, you can take this one right here after this engulfing candlestick, and then you ride it. Okay, and I think that's what is happening. Now let me show you something clearly here. If price doesn't want to sell, it will tell you. When we go to this point here, there was this kind of liquidity that was created here. That's a pure liquidity. Now price give us this failed high here, but it did not break this low. It weak like it swept it with wicks. You can see so many rejections from this zone. If it had broke it with a body, this zone with a body, maybe these candlesticks are strong body candlesticks that close below here, then I would have been expecting to take a sell from here. And that was the reason why there was this kind of rejections here. You can see it. There was some kind of rejections here. Some reactions like a sell. Because this place is supposed to be a sell zone if this one had broken below. Now, after which, now on 15 minutes time frame, there was no clear break, but there was a candle, there was a close. This candle, I think, it actually broke it. Yes, with a body. Then it went up with another candlestick again, came down, and then started moving again nicely. Now on 5 minutes time frame, this is going to be very clear, which I don't always advise that you use the 5 minutes time frame, but like some instances you can use it if the 15 minutes is not too clear. Now look at it. See, on the 5 minutes time frame, we had this clear filled low here. You got it. This is a clear failed low that was supposed to come and break. Supposed to come and what? A break this low and keep on forming lower lows and then lower highs. Rather, it broke this high with series of candlesticks. Came back to pick this. You see that thing? You see, let me show you again. Look at it. So that it took that low. So that is to tell that always before price will go up, there must be liquidity grab. After breaking this zone, it must catch some liquidity before it goes up. That's a fuel. You see, that's a fuel for it to move to the sky. If you want to dump to the same thing happen, there must be an internal. There's an internal low that was initially created before the break happened. So price must come and take such an internal low. If it is not internal, then price will first give us a pullback into this into that zone, then later come in and take it again, like I showed in the previous videos. Now look at this one here. It first dropped inside here. It went up to weak this one, came and take this, tap into this other block before going up. The same thing happened here. Before it will go up, it must catch some liquidity here. Look at it. This is the liquidity that was grabbed, and then boom, it's still going up. So guys, that is how simple the strategy is. I don't know if you really understood what I just explained in this video, but if you don't, please, my DM is available for you guys to what jump in and ask me questions. Yes, occasionally I'll be dropping these kind of videos for you guys, and then this video may be what uploaded to my YouTube channel and then my TikTok, so you can do well and then follow up. Just go and follow me over there, like and then comment over there. So let's help each other. I'm also helping you guys to understand the movement of the market. Now there's going to be a pullback again for us to enter. I missed all these trades actually.